Good evening and welcome to Global Sightline. Tonight, we bring you a major breaking development in one of the most closely watched legal battles in Guyana's recent history, the Azruddin Muhammad extradition case. A decision handed down today by the Guyana High Court has delivered a significant blow to the defense and has cleared the way for extradition proceedings to continue, despite strong constitutional challenges. This ruling has far-reaching implications, not just for Azruddin Muhammad and his father Nazar Muhammad, but for how extradition cases are handled in Guyana moving forward. For the next 30 minutes, we will break down what exactly the High Court decided, why the defense wanted the extradition stopped, how the Attorney General responded, what happens next in the Magistrate's Court, and why this case has drawn international attention from the United States. Let's begin. Number 1. Background of the case. The extradition case involving Azruddin Muhammad and Nazar Muhammad has been unfolding for months, drawing intense public interest and legal scrutiny. The two men are wanted by authorities in the United States, specifically in the Southern District of Florida, where they face serious federal criminal charges. According to U.S. prosecutors, the charges include money laundering, wire fraud, tax evasion. These allegations are tied to an alleged $50 million gold export scheme, which authorities claim involved illicit financial transactions spanning multiple jurisdictions. Because the alleged crimes fall under U.S. federal law, American authorities formally requested the extradition of both men from Guyana. That request triggered a legal process under Guyana's Fugitive Offenders Act, placing the matter before the Magistrate's Court. However, as the extradition process moved forward, the defense launched a constitutional challenge, taking the matter to the High Court. Number 2. The constitutional challenge. The defense strategy was bold and potentially case-ending. Attorneys representing the Muhammads argued that the Fugitive Offenders Amendment Act of 2009 is unconstitutional. Their position was that this law violates fundamental constitutional protections, should not be used as the legal basis for extradition, and therefore renders the current proceedings unlawful. Based on that argument, the defense asked the High Court to stay or temporarily halt the extradition proceedings or completely stop the case in the Magistrate's Court. Had the High Court agreed, the extradition process would have been frozen entirely, at least until the constitutional issues were resolved. This was not a minor request. It was an attempt to shut down the extradition case before it could advance any further. Number 3. High Court ruling, what the judge decided. The matter came before Justice Nareshwar Harnanan Singh, also known as Justice N.R.A. Singh, who is currently serving as Acting Chief Justice of Guyana. After hearing submissions from both sides, Justice Singh delivered a ruling that shocked the defense team. The High Court refused the application. Let that sink in. The court declined to stay or stop the extradition proceedings. Although the full written reasons for the decision have not yet been released, the practical effect of the ruling is already clear. The High Court will not intervene at this stage. The Magistrate's Court is free to continue. The extradition hearing moves forward without delay. This ruling represents a major legal setback for the Muhammads and a significant victory for the state. Number 4. What this means for the Magistrate's Court. Because the High Court refused to interfere, the extradition case now returns squarely to the Magistrate's Court, where it is being heard by Magistrate Judy Latchman. The magistrate now has the authority to continue hearing evidence, examine whether the legal requirements for extradition are met, and determine whether the matter should proceed to the next stage. Importantly, today's ruling confirms that constitutional challenges cannot be used to derail extradition proceedings mid-process. At least not at this stage. This sets a powerful precedent. Number 5. Attorney General Anil Nandlall responds. Following the ruling, Attorney General Anil Nandlall, who who was named as a respondent in the constitutional challenge, spoke to reporters outside the courthouse. His message was firm and unambiguous. The Attorney General described the application as an attempt to delay and protract the extradition process. He explained that courts across Guyana, the Caribbean, North America, and the wider Commonwealth have consistently rejected interlocutory applications, legal challenges filed in the middle of extradition proceedings to pause or derail them. According to Nandlall, the extradition framework already provides a structured system of appeals, built-in legal safeguards, and automatic stays of extradition once key decisions are made. In other words, the law ensures fairness without allowing endless delays. The Attorney General emphasized that today's ruling aligns with established legal precedent, reflects sound judicial policy, and reinforces the integrity of Guyana's extradition system. Number 6. What happens next? Despite today's defeat, the defense has indicated its intention to appeal the High Court's decision. However, here is the key point. An appeal does not automatically stop the extradition process. Unless and until an appellate court issues an order, the proceedings in the Magistrate's Court will continue. The next scheduled hearing is set for January 6, 2026. Before Magistrate Judy Latchman. That hearing will be critical in determining whether the case advances further toward extradition. Number 7. Important legal clarification. It is crucial to understand what today's ruling does not do. It does not determine guilt. It does not decide innocence. It does not confirm extradition. What it does do is ensure that the legal process continues. The High Court's role at this stage was procedural, and it chose not to interfere. Number 8. Final analysis and closing. Today's ruling sends a clear message. The courts will not allow constitutional challenges to be used as a tool for delay tactics in extradition cases, especially when the law already provides adequate protections. For Azruddin Muhammad and Nazar Muhammad, the legal battle is far from over. But the path ahead is now narrower and steeper. The extradition process remains firmly on track, and all eyes will now turn to January 6, 2026, when proceedings resume in the Magistrate's Court. This is a developing story, and we will continue to bring you every major update as it happens. Thank you for watching Global Sightline.